Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to activate Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to go to your search menu and then tap on Settings. Here on Settings, what you're going to do next is you have to look for Windows Update. If you can't find it here, then you can go to System, and then here you have to scroll down and look for the About option. Tap this one right here. Here on the About section, you will see the information of your computer or PC, laptop. What you're going to do is you have to go to the right side and you should click this Change Product Key or Upgrade Your Edition on Windows. Tap this one right here. Now, after that, click this Change Product Key. Tap this one here. And then basically you can now enter your product key. So remember the following here. Your product key should be in an email from whoever sold or distributed Windows to you, or on the box the Windows DVD or USB came in. After that, tap on Next. So basically, that's how easy it is to activate Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.